Assignment number 3, number 5.16. A pipeline engineer working in Kuwait for the oil giant BP wants to perform a present worth analysis on alternative pipeline routings. The first predominantly by land and the second primarily under the sea. The under the sea route is more expensive initially due to extra corrosion, protection, and installation costs, but cheaper security and maintenance reduces annual costs. Perform the analysis for the engineer at 15% per year. And here you will see the table for 5.16. And the answer in 5.16 is PW land is equals to 362.443 or 362,443,000. 5.28. Compare the alternative shown below on the basis of a future worth analysis using an interest rate of 8% per year. So here is the table for 5.28. 5.28 FWP is equals to $88.036 and the FWQ is equals to $64.947. 5.35. Compare the alternative shown on the basis of their capitalized cost using an interest rate of 10% per year. And the table below is for 5.35. Answer in 5.35 for AWM is equals to $88,260 and CCM is equals to $882,600 and CCN $920,000